Hey y'all, IRIX Guy here, and this is how to use the duct tape gun. So a lot of y'all had asked, you're like, hey man, it's great you showed me how to load the tape. Check out that separate video, by the way, if you need to know how to do that. But how do you use the duct tape gun? So within this video, I got a box right here, it's open. I've got some, just some miscellaneous trash in there. So what you want to do, again, you can, if you don't know how to load the tape, make sure you properly loaded the tape. That's a separate video. You can watch that. I've linked it within this video so you can find it. Depending upon the type of box, this is just a small box. You kind of want to hold it together. You got your tape here. You're going to start on one side. And then you're going to, now you want to push down because you want it to be tight. Now see, it's over here on the other side, so I've taped it. Now how do I cut the tape? Very easy. Like that. So you can see right here on the duct tape gun, there's these little sharp things. So if you don't see those, your tape's probably not being cut because you've got the protective piece on it. So if you don't see these sharp teeth, make sure you remove that protective plastic piece, otherwise it's not going to cut the tape. But see, now what I can do, I didn't have to, cut the tape, and let's say hypothetically I needed to tape this side. So I could just do this, and then boom, it's cut the tape, and the tape's still there, and I can continue taping, man. Look at this. Boom. So you just kind of gently push down, and then that makes the tape make contact with the sharp piece, and it cuts it. That is how to tape a box with a duct tape gun. How to use the duct tape gun. I hope this video helps. I know so many of y'all had asked for this video, and I do apologize that it took me so long to film it. If you're looking for the duct tape gun like I use, the extra tape, expand this video's description and then click the link there and you can find where to order it online. And check out my other video where I demonstrate how to load the tape into a duct tape gun. Thanks for your viewership. Be sure to subscribe and ring that bell icon when you do to be notified when I post another video. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain IRIX Guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/IRIX Guy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.